Meaning of filial.
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 Filial. Filial is an adjective that refers to the relationship between a child and their parent, or the qualities of a good son or daughter. It typically involves traits such as respect, obedience, and dutifulness towards one's parents or elderly relatives. In Confucian philosophy, filial piety is considered one of the most important virtues, with specific rituals and duties prescribed for children. Being filial is often seen as a positive trait in many cultures, and is valued as a way of maintaining family harmony and showing gratitude for parental sacrifices.